So shout out Hexis on supplying the vinyl wrap. You can check them out at www.online.hexis.co.uk. We've got a whole variety of colours up on their site. Yes people, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to attempt to try and wrap my interior. So as I said, I'm going to try and attempt to wrap my interior. When I say wrap my interior, I mean these gloss bits here, like this gloss bit here on the door card, and then in there, this, again, this gloss bit here. I've never tried any sort of wrapping or any type before, so I thought to myself, why not wrap something in the interior, and then if I do get it wrong, I can easily just peel it off, put it back as it was, and that's that. But I'm pretty confident with myself that I should do a good job. It looks pretty easy, if I'm honest, but you never know until you're actually trying it yourself. So there's only one way to find out, is get stuck in and see what we can do. First and foremost, big up Hexis. This is the company that supplied the wrap. So now I'm going to reveal the colour. So yes, what colour did we get? Okay, so the colour wrap I've decided to go with to do the wrapping is cloudy grey. It looks almost like a Nardo greyish, not far off from a Nardo grey, but on the actual website it says cloudy grey. They did have Nardo grey there, but I thought the cloudy grey would stand out a bit more. Alright, so now the door card is off. I've got my little kit there ready to go. I've got the alcohol wipes, I'm going to wipe the door card down. I've got the squeegees there as well, push out any creases. I've got the blade that's needed as well. I've got the cutter as well if I'm cutting big pieces of the wrap, that's useful. And also I've got the hairdryer there. I've got enough wrap, just enough for 2 doors and panels as well. I measured it all out and I'm pretty confident I'm gonna nail this one. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Cooper S interior trim wrap completed, done. So just before I show you guys, I just want to say I've tried to do this at a budget, yeah. So obviously it's my first attempt, so I'm trying to do it at a budget. I've bought the wrap for like £40. Shout out Hexus. And I bought the kit on Amazon. So the blade, the squeegee, the cutter for like £10. And then there was the hairdryer. I know you're meant to use a heat gun when you're wrapping stuff. I saved myself there by not going out to go and buy a heat gun when a hairdryer can do exactly the same thing. So straight away there you're saving yourself money. And I think it's done an alright job. It's done what I needed it to do. But obviously if I was planning to do the vehicle and wrap my car, I would obviously have to go out and buy a heat gun. Wouldn't want to do it with a hairdryer. This is just interior things, modifications, slight little things that I've done. So I feel no way of using a hairdryer. But yeah, so other than that, let's get into it. Let's show you. But before that, please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and all of that good stuff. And if you've liked this video, give it a big thumbs up for me, please. Alright then people, so let's get straight into it. There you have it, Mini Cooper S interior trim wrapped. If I'm honest, I think I did pretty good for a first attempt. It almost looks stock the more I look at it. So let me know in the comments what you think. But yeah, that's it for this video guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and all of that good stuff, and we will catch you up on the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe.